Hey, to update firmware of your OPPO Enco Free 2 earbuds, first of all, you will have to open the Hey Melody application, then scroll down all the way down and select Firmware Update. For sure, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then you will have to click just right here, and then you've got the new version, and here you can find some notes, and click to download and install. Now, as you can see, we have to put our earbuds inside the case and keep the lid open. So like in my case. Then we have to click confirm. And now we can also turn on the automatic update for this earbud. So we can also do this. And now right here on the screen, we can find downloading process and we have to wait until it will be finished. And as you can see, after the update will be finished, you will get this information that the current version is up to date, and you can actually click done and confirm. But as you can see, right now I've got another firmware update, so that's quite interesting. I will try to close this application and let's see if it will be still popping when I open the application. So let's find out. Now, as you can see, there was some kind of the bug. Right now I'm up to date and everything's fine. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.